Hello, and thank you for joining me at Sage Advice 65. Today we're going to continue with the conversion policy of the term life insurance. The reason that is so important is the conversion policy usually will drop you. Any insurance company will drop you when you turn 80. Now, the life expectancy of a female is between 79 and 81, and a male is between 73 and 76, so you're right there on the verge. But what happens if you've been paying in like clockwork every month to make sure your premiums are paid, or it's been coming out of your bank account, and then you turn 80 without a conversion policy in place? You've just wasted a lot of money. So what you need to do is, before you turn 80, yourself or your power of attorney, your POA, makes arrangements to have your policy converted into a term life policy that has group coverage, so that when you do pass away, you still have insurance. You still have death benefits. Now, in a lot of states in the United States, there's what they call a Filial Act, which means that your grown children can be responsible for some of your medical bills, and if you have those that are left after you pass. Most states don't enforce those unless they're really pushed, but they are there. But I don't think you should have to go that far. I don't think that the medical institutions that take care of you should have to go that far. I think, as far as term life insurance goes, that when you age and your premiums go up, but your income doesn't, that the adult children should be able to pitch in there and help you, especially since they're usually the ones that are left to be either the power of attorney or the beneficiary of your life insurance. It doesn't hurt to ask them. That way you don't lose all that money in the long run, and the death benefit is still there and in place, and they will get the rewards of that. So it doesn't hurt to ask, it doesn't hurt to spread the wealth. Okay, now that Filial Act, Filial, is enforced in some states, like I said, not in all of them. I know in Texas and Florida there's not one. Pennsylvania is really good about enforcing that. But seriously, after you have taken responsibility for your children all your life, for making sure that everything is in place for them when you pass away, you don't have to be Santa Claus. They should take it upon themselves to want to help you out. Especially, like I said, if they are the one that's going to reap the rewards. So let's talk now about the accelerated policy, or the accelerated clause in your policy. Now, the conversion policy and the accelerating clause is not going to be something that your insurance provider is going to tell you about automatically. It'll probably be hidden somewhere on page 4 or 5. But you need to find out about your policy and the little things that are included in it before, or have your power of attorney do it. Make sure you know how you're covered and what they need to do to make sure that your policy is in place. Now, acceleration means like this. If all of a sudden you're diagnosed with a terminal illness and you are given 12 to 24 months to live, or that it is, the doctors have diagnosed you and they've said that you probably cannot do any task for yourself, that you're going to have care either in a nursing home, a rehab center, or even someone coming to your own home, you can apply for the accelerated policy or the accelerated plan. And what will happen then is that you can get part of that while you're still there to cover your bills, to cover your whoever you have to hire maybe to take care of you, your cost, out-of-pocket cost. That'll help you now while you're still alive. And then, of course, at that time, you will not be able to get a conversion policy. And the accelerating, whatever the amount is, will come out of the death benefit. And the remaining death benefit will be paid to the beneficiary. But there's hope. And all this is really kind of hard to follow. And that's why I'm saying that even though I cover like bits and pieces on this one, and then I've got other videos, it may be a good idea to go back to my other videos. This is the third one. And just follow me and go across and see how they combine and how they work together. And I'm going to keep on adding little pieces every video I do. Now, the Filial Responsibility Act is not part of your term life insurance, but it is a law. And it is a law that affects the seniors, the elderly. And it does affect your life insurance policies. So that's why I included that in this video. Now, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. I'm going to keep putting videos up. I hope you will watch this video, go back and catch my other 2 videos, and keep watching, because you'll never know when some little tidbit that you did not know about, that is not discussed with you when you actually purchase a policy, comes up. So, there's always those, and if you have any questions or comments that you want to ask me, go ahead, comment, and I'll see if I can't find the answer for you. And if I can't, I'll ask other viewers if they can help me find the answers. So anyway, I still haven't gotten the next video I wanted to do was self-harm. But then I started realizing that I really did not cover the conversion, the acceleration, and the filial responsibility very well. And they are so important. Like I said, at this stage of your life, it's really important to know. And your power of attorney needs to know exactly what's in your life insurance policy, what's in your will and testament. And like I'm always saying, make sure there's 2 copies, and make sure that they're hard copies, they're printed out, they're kept in a file cabinet, they're kept in a lockbox. There's somewhere. More than one person knows your wishes, knows where all your paperwork is, even though you only have one power of attorney. It's never good to leave everything to one person as far as knowledge. So, like and subscribe, follow my channel, Sage Advice at 65. Follow my other channel, Strega Life. That's my hiking channel, that's my fun channel, and if weather permitting, I'll be out hiking tomorrow. So I'm going to say goodbye for now.